nervous, bro.
Oh,
That noise is called the supercharger, son.
dude.
Number one liability in the building tonight. The insurance policies have gone up 2 times because this man here. FRS, right? BRZ. I'm canceled. I'm canceled.
I'm kind of nervous, bro. Like, is that car gonna run?
Picking up Sean's car today.
I thought you were driving.
Why the am I driving?
I was just having a panic attack like 3 minutes ago.
Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes, don't open them. Don't look. What's wrong with you? Oh my God. Damn.
What?
All right, open your eyes. Oh,
Promotive. Boom. Shout out to them.
So I can't wait to see the wheels on it.
It's going straight to VIP modular right after this. The wheels are done.
Oh, this is way better than V2.
yeah, V2 feels like 1995.
Shut the f up. I like that old school. I have 8 presets.
So a lot of people think we only have this side from the outside. It's a whole building.
No, we try to take care of as many of our customers as possible.
It's great.
We run a different operation here.
Well, the day I dropped the car off, I already had a call and it said that you have an appointment, and I'm like, I don't even get a call from the doctor's office. And I'm like, hell yeah.
All right, new update. Now we're on the way to get the wheels. VIP modular. So we'll see you there.
Well, it's back now. She looks good. What's Steve doing over there with the Rolls Royce?
Oh no, dude.
They had it back then?
That's right, gangsta.
Relax. Yeah. Relax, Big C. Relax, Big C. Where you sit in the backseat of a Phantom and the owner of the company whips you around. Man, this is crazy.
I need to charge for this fucking ride, bro. Let's test drive around the block. If it survived the hood, you'll be good.
Relax.
That noise is called the supercharger, son.
Pop that hood.
Stop, bro.
The next day.
Actually don't know what we're doing today. We're to pick up a vehicle.
What's up, everybody? Day 2 at VIP Modular. Yesterday we got our bag from Promotive, and now we're here at VIP. The wheels have been built, they have been powder coated, they have been chromed. Today we put them on, and well, it's too late to test fit because they're already cut. There's CJ, we bought him here today.
Ooh, Range Rover.
And yeah, stay tuned, and we're gonna go from there.
Yeah, see, that looks hard.
Damn,
And the
bro.
cool part is too, like, he got the hardware he wanted.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's currently 4 o'clock. We got the AAA RR, big body ass Dodge over there. Yeah, not really much to say.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's currently 1 p.m. So sorry. We have just gotten to San Jose. Wekfest loading is at 4 for us. And yeah, it's about 100 degrees outside. Sun is shining. It's gonna be a great day. One hand, guys.
Oh, you're a strong boy, huh?
The lip.
Oh my God.
That's better than the lip.
What?
It's burning my finger. The lineup is f***ing dirty.
Oh, we gonna
What's going on, everybody? We're at Wekfest 23. So we're just gonna take it over from here.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? We at Wekfest SJ 2023.
Stop, bro. Why you so tight?
Yeah, relax. What's up, everybody? We out here at Wekfest 2023 with the boys out here. We inside today, not outside, but you know we always turn.
Why are you so good looking?
It don't matter where I am. I'm gonna be repping D Jordan Media. It don't matter. It can be here, here. It don't matter. I got it on me. Arr.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are here at Wekfest. Give them your name and your make and your model of your car.
S14 right here.
Instagram, Sylvia LB.
Sylvia LB, yeah. Follow me.
Don't check them out. Don't check them out. Check out me.
Me with him.
Oh!
Yo, wow.
Everybody.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sylvia.
Get over here. As you guys know, this is Albert. Beautiful Supra here. There's Albert himself. Oh, yeah. Number one liability in the building tonight. The insurance policies have gone up 2 times because this man here.
Thank you.
McCord Liberty.
I just want to say thank you to my sponsor, Hennessy. I was kidding.
And chop him up. Wagyu. Make that Wagyu out of it. That's how you make Wagyu beef. Yeah, don't grab that. Damn, boy. We're here with Desmond and his FRS, right?
Whoa.
BRZ. canceled. I'm canceled. What's going on, everybody? We're here at Wekfest 2023. We're here with Desmond right now and his beautiful 86. How you feeling tonight?
Oh man, pretty good, man. The show's freaking dope.
You guys drive it out here or you guys trailing
man.
it?
Yeah, I drove it up here.
You drove it up here. Wow. So what do you got going on here? What you got? The wide body kit?
Yeah, you know, a little bit of Phantom going on.
A little bit of check him out. What's your IG? Plug it up.
Ayo Des.
Ayo. Two Y's. Uh-oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, we got Mila Bunny here. Mila, how you doing?
I'm tired. My feet hurt.
Mila, when are you flying back to Texas? Are you still going to be in town for a while?
I'm not flying back. I'm driving it back.
She is driving her car back to Texas or from the Bay Area. Even bigger, the Bay Area. This is the same body kit as this one, right? But it's just a different.
Yeah, just a little slightly better.
Oh.
You launched
Right.
it as is, and you didn't.
Oh. He said, you're bought, not built. Check out Mila Bunny's Instagram, everybody. We're out.
Oh, boss is here. Big dog's here.
Boss in the Crookeds, eh? I guess all the fun's right here, huh?
Off-road vehicle. 2020 full junction produce Rolls Royce Phantom. What did we win?
First place.
Finishing up here at Wekfest 2023. As you can see, we're cleaning up the booth over here. Now we're walking away with a dub here, as always, with VIP. You know, when you rest with VIP, you become a VIP. That was a good one, huh?